Prime Minister Modi addressed a rally in Aligarh during which he said Congress will distribute people's wealth. Lingayat seer Dingaleshwar Swamy withdrew from the Lok Sabha elections in Dharwad. TMC stronghold Diamond Harbour faces a fierce contest as Abhishek Banerjee takes on BJP's Abhijit Das. ECI and IMD hold a meeting to minimize the impact of the heat wave on voting. BJP's Mukesh Dalal wins Surat Lok Sabha seat unopposed. Now let's take a deeper look into the top developments. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sharpened his attack on Congress during his public rally in Aligarh. He said that the Congress will take control of people's wealth and distribute it. Lingayat seer Dingaleshwar Swamy withdrew from the Lok Sabha race in Dharwad. This benefits the BJP. He had planned to contest independently against the Union Minister Prahlad Joshi, but he later pulled out, citing concerns over alleged injustices. Diamond Harbour, the TMC's stronghold, faces a fierce contest as Mamta's nephew takes on BJP's Abhijit Das. The seat will go on poll on June 1. The constituency in the south of West Bengal has been dominated by the TMC since 2009, contributing to Mamta Banerjee's influence in the South Bengal. The Election Commission of India and the Indian Meteorological Department officials convened on April 22 to address rising temperatures during voting hours ahead of the second phase of polling on April 26. With heatwave warning in several regions including East, measures are being discussed to minimize the heatwave risks. This phase will cover 89 constituencies across 13 states including Maharashtra, Bihar, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, West Bengal and Assam. BJP's Mukesh Dalal was elected unopposed from the Surat Lok Sabha constituency after all other candidates withdrew their nominations. Originally scheduled for the third phase on May 7th, the Election Commission rejected Congress candidate Nilesh Kumbhani's nomination papers due to discrepancies in signatures.